G'day, Doug, back with you with another unboxing, and today from Sabrent. Have you ever heard of Sabrent? That is some computer equipment and different things, computer accessories. This is a Mac Mini mount. This is so you can mount a Mac Mini to, say, a VESA mount in the back of a monitor, or to a wall, or under a desk. So you can see on the cover there the basic idea, but we're going to open this up to see exactly what we get with this Mac Mini mount and what mounting things it comes with. So let's have a look at the back of the box. Bit of a feature list here actually, but nonetheless, let's grab the trusty knife. Cut the tape and we'll crack the box open. Okay, we're going to open the box. I'll do this so you can see the top there. This is certainly just a plastic mount. This is nothing like metal or anything like that. I can feel it. There's nothing else in the box. Everything comes out in this plastic. There is, remove the plastic, and we've got a little piece of paper. We've got the mount itself. Now, I tell a lie. I said it was plastic when I was pulling it out, but that's actually like a aluminum of some description, because I could probably bend it. Yeah, if I put pressure on it, I'd bend that out of shape, which I don't want to do. But basically, the Mac Mini is going to slot in here, and we've got all these mounting options. Obviously, these are positioned for a VESA mount, but then you can just mark them out and drill holes and mount them anywhere. Let's see what sort of mounting options we got in regards to how these screws work. Got some plastic options. I think these plastic things are the ones that you can put in like a gyprock wall or a drywall, or whatever you call it where you are, so that the screws can grab in the drywall. So that's what they are. Then we have a couple of different options. We have 4 long screws, and we have 4 short screws. So we got all the mounting options depending on what configuration we need. And basically, however we do it, we're going to use a screw in each one of these corners, whether we use the inside one or the outside one. I guess the inside one is going to depend, probably if you're using a VESA mount, then you might be constricted to one set or the other set, the inside ones or the outside ones. If you're going to mount it to a wall, you'd probably mount them further apart, so using the outer ones. So here, 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 and here, and hang them up. Now, the way I'm mounting my Mac Mini is I'm going to put it under my desk. So this very desk that you're seeing in the top mount, basically it's going to go not where I'm sitting, but around the back. It's going to go in. It's going to go up under the desk. The Mac Mini can rack in, and then all the cables get plugged in. So it's like a minimalist sort of setup. Not everything's piled up on the desk. The desk is going to be clean and clear. The Mac Mini obviously slots in to these parts here. So you've got these extra outside parts here, which I'm assuming will be for some basic cable management. You can run some cables through there and tuck them in. So it's going to be fun mounting this. Particularly the M1 Mac Minis, they're not mega heavy, but they are an aluminum case, so they do have some weight to them because they are metal construction. I've got mine sitting just here. I'm not sure that's in shot, but I have my Mac Mini sitting just there for now. But now we've got this, we're going to be able to mount it under the desk. You can mount it to the back of a monitor to make it like a nook, like an all-in-one. So you got your monitor and your Mac Mini's out of sight behind the monitor. You can mount it on a wall. So it's like you would do like a Wi-Fi router, mounted on a wall. Probably my third last option. I'd probably want to do one of the other two first. And of course, mounting under the desk is my preferred option. I have all the parts to do it, so I'm probably going to use these long screws. They appear to have a Phillips head, so that should be good. The short screws would be for the VESA, because it doesn't need a long screw to screw it into the VESA screws on the monitor. Again, they are also Phillips head. Well, I'm going to pop them back in the bag, but that's the Sabrent version of this Mac Mini mount. They should take all of the square Mac Mini models up to the very first M1 version, which basically they all use the same chassis. I have a version from 2012 that is exactly the same form factor as the M1 that came out at the end of 2020. which is the one I've got now on my desk. So I have two Mac Minis. Either of them could fit in this Mac Mini mount. So enjoy. Hope you enjoyed seeing what was in the box. If that helps you to decide if that's going to work for your Mac Mini, then I'm glad to help. I'll catch you later.